magpapalitan man ng management, tenants may change ownerships of their stalls from their heirs to their next generation. But this building, or maybe a better building with different looks and better aesthetics, will still be located here. Napaaga po yung turnover namin because there will be a joint, parang briefing orientation, shadowing of the systems and processes of Maharlika para po yung incoming, makabisado po nila yung ginagawa po namin. Kung may kailangan palitan, they will improve it. So wag po kayong mag-alala kung hindi pa namin kayo kinausap o hindi pa kayo kinausap ng new management. Bigyan niyo po ng time kasi by next week, I'm sure they'll be telling the SOPs or the procedures, the new procedures.
We formally transfer the management of Maharlika Livelihood Complex to the City of Baguio. After thoughtful discussions with the leaders led by Mayor Ben, we now entrust Maharlika's future to the city government of Baguio. We are confident that under the leadership of Mayor Ben and his council, together with the Vice Mayor, this historic place will continue to grow, serving as a cultural and economic cornerstones for the Filipino and the people of Baguio.
It is more than a legal and administrative transfer. It is a declaration of our city's intent to reimagine, reinvent, and revitalize commercial spaces that matter not only to our entrepreneurs or tenants, but also to the people of the city of Baguio. The Maharlika Livelihood Complex has long been a central hub for commerce and community interaction. And under the stewardship of the city government, we aim to transform it into a model of sustainable, livable, inclusive, and locally empowered development. I just would like also to inform you that nag-usap po kami ng Presidente last year and this year. Isa lang mo ang instruction niya sa akin. Please, Mayor Benji, restore the original design of Maharlika. Kami po, together with the City Council, we are determined na bumaba yung mga binabayaran nyo. Isang paraan lang, tatanggalin mo natin yung subleasing mo dyan. Marami na wala si Mamo dyan. We are here to protect the interest of the present occupant. Bawal mo ang subleasing dito sa syudad ng Baguio.